channel, The Global Tongue. I'm your friend Sanjit Vishwakarma, and today I am here again with my new video, and the topic of my today's video is past perfect tense. In my previous video, I had talked about past continuous tense, so today we'll talk about past perfect tense. So before I start to talk about past perfect tense, I would like to tell you that we need to remember our friends as well, as they are very important. So our friends are I, we, you, he, she, it, this, that, these, those, and they. And their friends are am, do, have, are, do, have, is, does, and has. Right? So past perfect tense is used to talk about something that happened before past continuous or past simple. Right? And the formula for past perfect tense will be we need subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. So subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. So here we would only be using had, right? So we don't have to remember the other rules. It's only had we'll be using here, and we'll be using had with all our friends, right? And so the sentences will be like this: I had called him yesterday, or I had ridden the bike day before yesterday. I had done the homework last night, and she had given me her phone to use. I had written the question on the board yesterday. I had used your chair day before yesterday, or I had ridden my bike last night. So this is how we use past perfect tense, and I would like to tell you about the scenario where we can use it nicely. So let's say you are in the office and then you call your mom and you tell your mom to order pizza, and then once you reach home and you ask your mom, please give me pizza, and your mom says, what pizza are you talking about? And then you could say that, oh mom, you know what, while I was in the office I had already called you to order pizza. So the what sense is creating here? Something that happened before past simple or past continuous tense. Alright, so this is how we use past perfect tense, guys. So guys, if you have liked my video, kindly share, subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys.